Okay, I joined Agape because I'm getting married and I was not happy with the way I looked or the way that I felt. The first day I walked in the gym, I had a gift card to try it out. 100 pounds overweight, easily. Walked in the front door and saw Brian and Alex and a few other very in shape people and looked and just thought, what am I doing here? I was so intimidated, scared to death, and for a second I contemplated just walking out the door because I was so embarrassed of my condition. But I thought, what do I have to lose? So I tried it the first day and couldn't come back for a week because I was so sore. But here I am today, 50 pounds lighter, and I'm so glad I walked in and kept going. That's the hardest part. I tried several gyms before Agape and they were very boring and didn't get me motivated, so I kind of just gave up on exercise. The thing that made Agape different was you never know what you're walking into. I mean, every day it's different. Every day is a challenge, and it's fun to push yourself and see how far you can go. And the staff is the most motivational. I'm gonna get emotional. Stop. Oh, I love this place. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
I love everything about this place. The support I've received here is unlike anything. A lot of my friends and family aren't on my journey, so they're supportive of me, but they're not in it with me. I come here and I feel like it's part of a family. So I've lost 28.4 pounds, 19 inches, and 5% body fat in 3 months. I would recommend this gym to everybody. I do recommend it to everybody because the first day I walked in here, I couldn't do one push-up. I couldn't run one lap around the parking lot. Now I'm running 4 miles a day here, working out sometimes twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, and I've never felt better, never felt stronger. I'm the happiest I've been in a long time. To the women that are intimidated to walk in this gym, just the hardest part is the first step in the door. Once you get past it, you have all the support you need. To Stephen and Andrew, I want to say I love you guys. You guys saved my life.